Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. We're gonna talk about my Legion secret here, but I want to get this point across because I get a lot of questions. People ask me, why am I not making sales with my Legion secret? Am I doing something wrong? So what I wanted to do in this video is I wanted to go through what it is that I am doing that is getting me sales so that you would know what not to do. But I will always say that the emails that you write are the key element here. So I know that a lot of people come back and watch my Legion Secret videos, whether it's the community, whether there are new people. So I hope this video is educational. I'm trying my best also to get more content out. It's been 3 years that I've been posting these videos, guys. So I'm also, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments so I can actually address them. Most of the questions that I get, I have addressed already in other videos, but in case you do have any questions, let me know below so that I can create the videos for the future. All right. Who am I to talk about this and why should I talk about this? Well, a little bit of a background. I've been using my Legion secret within my affiliate marketing strategy for the last 3 years, since 2023, and it has been going really well for me personally. I have actually got 2 other accounts after I opened my first account just because of the progress and the sales that I was making. Now, is this typical? Are you going to get sales? It is not typical. Results are not typical. The things that I'm doing are little effort and marketing strategies that help me get better at marketing as a whole and then lead to those conversions. So it really matters what kind of work, what kind of effort you put it into this entire process. I hope this makes sense. I hope this helps you. But as you see, since I'm going to be sharing some numbers with you guys, these results from myself are really not typical. These are results that I'm putting in the work and the effort to do it, but it shows at least authority of why I'm speaking about it. So let's first and foremost go to Warrior Plus and share with you some of the results I have on Warrior Plus. And actually, before that, let me just go over my strategy. So this is my affiliate marketing strategy, as you can see on the screen. It says MLGS email leads because that's the catalyst we're using, so that I can send to offers on different affiliate networks or directly to the offers itself, and I make commissions. And then once I make those commissions, and I usually focus on a range of low ticket offers only, then I utilize that fund that is creating, because obviously commissions are getting me a certain amount of money. That money is used as a fund for myself in order for me to generate more or push more traffic or advertising into my funnels that I have, into my entire structure that I have as an affiliate marketer. But this is how it is. My Legion Secret is a catalyst. What is my Legion Secret? It provides you 100 to 200 leads every single day, basically $1 a day for all of these, because it costs you $30 to get started and a $30 one-time startup fee. So the first month you spend $60, and the month after that you spend $30 to maintain it. I personally, as I said, have 3 accounts. Okay. Other information, I have other videos, playlists. This is not a review. This is more for you guys to see what how it can help you. Okay. So that is what my Legion secret is. I want to share with you now my results so that you guys at least have an idea of what I'm talking about. And then we're going to do something I don't think I've seen in any other video shared on YouTube related to this topic. So I hope it gives you an idea. Okay, so here I am on my, you can see right here, my name is on top over here. I am in ClickBank and I just put for a year, okay? I didn't want to do 2 years on ClickBank because it didn't make sense for me. And also my ClickBank journey is pretty new, I would say. I started from 2000, I think about a year and a half ago. So it's also pretty new, but you can see right here that I made gross sales of about 2,200 and all of these sales are, by the way, my Legion secret. Okay. So I know because I'm getting sales on a consistent basis. The offers that I'm making money on basically are all the same vendor, just different offers. I hope that makes sense for you guys. You can see the hops, you can see the 84 sales that were generated and actually 55 rebuilds. So quite a bit of people come back and rebuild, which is the nice part about ClickBank and the way that I'm talking about it. By the way, in case you do not, or you want some tips and tricks on ClickBank, I did last week another video on it. So go ahead and check that out. The playlist is in the description. Okay. That is ClickBank for you guys to see. Again, results are not typical. These are mine. And I just went to Warrior Plus, and it's easy for me to show you on Warrior Plus that I look at all time. So ever since I started doing this strategy, which is in March, and in fact, if I go to show you guys all the sales, that actually 9,514 items were sold in these last 3 years. 9,500 in commissions just from My Lead Gen Secret. Okay. And you can see that the tracking code is there. And these are recent sales as of the 25th of January. You can see also, I'm shooting this video, by the way, in the end of 28th of January. So this is, I'm presuming that today also, by the way, I might make some sales, but anyway, this is how it is. Okay. And if I scroll down and just go right to the beginning, you'll see, let's do the next page. I believe that should be more than enough. As you maybe further on, wow, 3 pages. But you can see that the first sale that I made from My Lead Gen Secret was on the 22nd of March 2022. So this is not going back to sales now. It's going back to sales from almost 3 years ago. All right. And it's been consistent. I've had multiple different kinds of sales happening, but basically you can see the total amount of commissions. So what I'm saying makes sense. I wanted to show you guys this because one, I'm tracking all my sales, as well as if you guys see the newer emails, actually, because before I used to not do the tracking, I think, in a proper way, but now you can see that I have a date. So I have MLGS on the tracking code, the date and the month and the year. The reason why I have this in my tracking code is because I have emails that I send out on a daily basis, right? With My Lead Gen Secret. That's what we're doing. I save those winning emails in a file that I have, and I'm trying to find the right way to share this, but basically I share those winning emails in a file that I have, and I use that file to create I use that file right now to create a GPT for myself. This means this is basically a bot on ChatGPT that allows me to write better emails. I do not copy paste the emails, but all the emails are in a file here. Okay. And I'm literally going to show you guys this so you see it. If I go to edit, you'll see that there is a knowledge base besides the instruction, but there's a knowledge base right here, which has all the information and files that are needed for myself. So I upload it actually every single month. As I get new emails, I add those new emails to this file and I add it here. So what we're going to do right now, just for you guys, this is something that I'm testing out. Okay. I want to show you guys, this is the GPT that I'm using. It's not for the public use at the moment. I'm not sharing this link with anybody, but in the future, in the course that I have on the strategy that I'm sharing, there will be this GPT available. But yeah, let me just go ahead. I use it on a weekly basis. I basically come here and use it. I wrote my emails here, as you guys can see on the bottom of the screen, pretty recently. That's besides the point. I'm going to use this GPT because I want it to analyze exactly what winning emails that I have and what are the important elements of it. So let's get into it. All right. So what I did right now is I asked the GPT very simply. I said, look at my knowledge base, go through the entire thing and point out whether with regards to tone, call to actions, or other thoughts that the GPT might have that stand out and show why my emails are converting. Because as we said, guys, My Lead Gen Secret is an email-based platform. You're getting email leads and you're writing emails every single day. Now, I'm not going to talk about the formatting and the tips on how I suggest, because that is just structure. That doesn't actually give you a why your emails are converting into sales or not. That just shows a simple flow that anybody can do. But the actual amount of sales that are coming in are coming from the content of the email. In my opinion, it is because it's the quality of the email and the storytelling. That is my opinion. The quality of the email is the story that is connecting a paragraph to to your offer, having that congruency. So when they click on the offer, they're going to the right thing on the page. If you have a PS link, then you have another offer maybe in your PS link, but it's connected to the email. So either they choose that or that, but everything is congruent. Congruency is the key thing here. And then obviously telling your story through that congruency. That is what I personally think, but I haven't seen what the GPT says. So let's look at it together. Make myself a little bit smaller. So it says, I've gone through the entire knowledge base as a whole and looked at the way the subscriber would experience it over time, not as isolated emails, which is perfect. We don't want, I have written on different topics, different offers. We don't want just one. Few clear reasons stand out of why these emails convert and keep converting. So first, the tone feels human, not performative. Voila. This is one of the big things that I've kept on speaking about on this every single week on this channel. On the tone of the emails, it sounds human. You are connecting. We are actually affiliate marketers that want to build a bridge. So the dominant tone across emails is grounded, repetitive, and conversational. Okay. I'm very happy that we did this together, to be honest. You don't sound like you're trying to impress. You sound like you're someone documenting a journey they're still on. the lowers that lowers resistance. You see how I'm making it relatable? I'm not the best affiliate marketer in the world, guys. I'm learning as well. We're always on this journey. This is how I reach out to the readers itself. The readers don't feel sold to, they feel accompanied. Even when numbers appear, they're modest, repeated, calmly, and framed as outcomes of time, not talent or luck. Cool. So that's the first thing. Tone. Second is consistency of belief, not novelty. You repeat the same core beliefs over and over. Not a bad thing to repeat the same core beliefs, guys. People take time in marketing. You need initially they used to say 7 to 12 touch points. Right now I think it's much more touch points for them to understand, because people are so bombarded with different kinds of marketing promotional materials that sometimes the message doesn't get through. So when you repeat the same thing in different words, so as I said, simply I repeat these core beliefs over and over again in different formats and different ways, but it's the element is there in each and every email. Simplicity beats hype, skill beats shortcuts, authenticity beats pretending, consistency beats intensity. This repetition builds trust. People buy when they feel certain, and certainty comes from hearing the same message expressed calmly from different angles. Again, key here, different angles, not different new ideas every single day. That is the key thing. These two, in my opinion, are the main options. But anyway, let's go to the third thing. It says CTAs feel option, not coercive. CTAs, the call to actions that I have are turning point. There's a flow, so it feels like, oh, this is the next step. Oh, this is what I need to look at, right? So that's what's basically it's saying. I'm not forcing them to click on that or whatever. I'm not forcing them to buy now or whatever. It's not pushy. You position yourself as a filter, not a hero. Again, a lot of people in the affiliate marketing space take the journey of showing a freedom outcome, the hero outcome. There's a hero funnel that you can create and so on and so forth. That's what you want to take people on this journey. I think that the space is so filled with all of this that I'd rather just be the helpful person and show them. I'm not a survivor. I'm showing you a system. It isn't magic. This is not some hypey thing. So that's the third. That's the fourth thing. And the fifth thing is that they said the emails feel cumulative. Each email stands alone, but emotionally they stack. By the time someone buys, it rarely feels like one email convinced them. It feels like alignment finally caught up with timing. In short, sales are happening because the emails reduce pressure, increase trust, and let belief form quietly over time. That's the real asset you've built. Now, obviously, don't worry about ChatGPT giving me compliments, because that's what it's built for. It's built for giving me compliments. But what I want you guys to understand is the reasons that it's given are actually related to the quality of the email that you're writing. We're not talking about structure. I'm telling you, within that email, what is it? So the thing that I try to talk about in all my emails is an actual story, an actual journey. I link things up. So I'm going to give you guys concrete examples because I don't want to be vague. Affiliate marketing offers. I talk about affiliate marketing trainings all the time. You guys can see it's automated commission system for the last couple of months. Rapid list building. They're different offers, but at the end of the day, all of them, what do they teach? Affiliate marketing system. So my core message of affiliate marketing system being the key element right there remains the same. I take elements from each of the sales pages and I include them in those emails. So obviously, if I'm sending on rapid list building, the email will be related to list building. If I'm talking about automated commission system, I'm showing them how I systematize my affiliate marketing promotions. If I'm talking about partner profits, then I'm talking about how do you partner with somebody who has more authentic or has more authority than you. I'm giving you guys options, okay? So these are different offers with different angles, but they all talk about affiliate marketing. They all talk about my journey. They all talk about how we reduce the hype and we increase. And these elements help me further on my journey. I'm not a hero here. I'm furthering on my journey. And that's why when they go to these offers, they feel like they need it. And more than anything else, these offers do help. I'm not just randomly sharing these offers. I've been sharing them for the last 3 years because they actually help and I use them. On a different angle, if we look at what we're doing with ClickBank, they're service-based offers. So now I'm sharing with them, look, if you don't know how to do affiliate marketing, if you're confused, but you still want to start earning online, and you still want to get into the space and gradually move on to affiliate marketing, So I still connect my affiliate marketing journey because I'm an affiliate marketer. I said, why don't you try these side hustles? Why don't you try these side gigs that actually give you social media jobs, live chat jobs? These are all service based offers. And as you are doing them, you're firstly earning, and then you're using those skill sets to then apply to your affiliate marketing journey. And now you have a double income coming in. So I don't need to necessarily own these products for me to share this, but I can relate and share my story. And that's all I'm doing. The income statements are income that I am receiving. I make between 500 to 1,000 every single month. So I say 500 and 1,000 every single month because it makes sense. And I'm telling you guys this not to, brag or anything like that. You guys can see. Now, I put a lot back into running things because this is me, but that's what is achievable, right? So these are the reasons why you are not getting sales. So if you have hypey emails, if you have the same emails that you're sending every day, if you have offers that are just not worth it, honestly, that's where you're making the biggest mistake. The reason why I can start a new account, the third account that I started, I have less than 8,000 leads on that account, and I'm making about 10 to 15 sales every single month in the offer that I'm promoting there. I don't want to share that with you guys all over, but it is an offer that is an offer that I promote on my channel. It is an offer that I promote on My Legion Secret. I'm making 7 to 10 sales, actually more, 10 to 15 sales every single month just from that. And it's less than 3 months that I have opened this third account. So do you see the advantage of just writing emails that keep it congruent and same message for those 3 months? Now I'm making for the last 3 months literally 10 sales a month. It's not a lot, but it's enough to cover my costs. It's enough to increase that traffic. So that's how I'm personally getting day in and day out sales. If you guys want to see more, you can get my course in the description of this video. It's also in the pinned comments. And if you want to join My Legion Secret, then feel free to check out that below. In the future, I will be sharing this GPT with you guys, okay? But for now, this is what it is. Have a great day. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. And I hope this video has been helpful for you. Make sure you do hit that subscribe button if it has. See you on the next one.